Whoa, this one is huge. It's like a bathtub. This is wedding plov. I can't wait to give it a try. All right, so today I'm on my own exploring around Tashkent, which is the capital of Uzbekistan. There's the TV tower. You can see it from pretty much anywhere in the city, I'm told. Oh, TravelingJules. Yes, it's me.
Hi, Uzbekistan.
So I heard about this place called the Plov Center. It's where you eat plov. Plov means rice, pilaf. It's very hot. I'm surrounded by cauldrons of rice just bubbling away. So you can see how they make it, all different styles from all different parts of the area. And it's kind of fun. You get to watch them literally shovel mountains and mountains of plov. Kind of mesmerized by the process here. You've got these super hot fires. There's meat cooking underneath and it's juicy fat boiling up at the bottom. There's the meat. You've got the meat section. Got some veggies, of course we've got the rice. I wonder how many people one batch can feed. Do you know how many bowls? One big one?
35 kilograms. 1 kilo, 8 portions.
Wow, thanks. He knows everything. Okay, that's a lot of plov. So out here they're cooking all the food that we will eat inside.
3 types we have: chahana, wedding, and asok. Special. Only lamb, red cooked carrot.
It smells delicious, so let's eat. Oh my gosh, I'm so thirsty. I've been hanging out with all the hot plov. This place is cool. There's like 2 levels of seating here. It's very popular. Thank you. Oh. Hello, in the video. I just ordered some wedding pilaf because I have some big news. Just kidding. Plov, wedding plov. She's so cute. Making a video for YouTube. You want to be in the video? Bye!
Alisher, привет! Мой дедовский бочигар салон, бачик баш.
Are you from Uzbekistan? Tajikistan. Tajikistan. Ah. Okay. Just show me. I made some new friends.
How old are you? 22? 20?
More.
21?
More. More.
No!
I'm enjoying being here. I know I look kind of crazy with all my cameras, but people have been very, very friendly.
26?
She's so cute. Okay, time to eat. I'm so excited. So this is the wedding plov, and I've got a Uzbek bread. This is just half. So this is lunch. I heard this would be the best to try. I like it. Actually, it tastes exactly like what I was smelling out there. It's just such a unique flavor. Okay, so it's carrot and raisin, garbanzo. Oh, that raisin gives it such a sweet taste. And we've got an egg and also a quail egg. There's a lot of flavor in this meat. Beef and lamb and also horse meat. Give it a try. Salty, spicy almost, really strong flavor. The plov party, eating all the plov. Whoa. For a pile of rice, it has a lot of flavor. Well, I certainly enjoyed my visit to the Plov Center. That was fun. I feel like a plov expert now. Funny story, I read in the Lonely Planet guidebook that plov in Uzbek also means foreplay. So this could be like an aphrodisiac kind of food, if you know what I mean. I don't know what kind of food gets you going, but here, plov. It's all about the plov.